Welcome to Terra AI, powered by Green Voltis. In this guide, we'll show you how to get started. Visit terra.greenvoltis.com/login to enter the platform. If you don't have an account already, you will need to register. Once you have registered, we will review your details and send you an invitation code via email. Use that invitation code to log in to your Terra AI account. After that, you will only need your email address and password to log back in. Once you are logged into Terra AI, you will be able to begin prompting in order to build, test, and tweak storage project models. Let's ask Terra to calculate the IRR for a BESS project. Once you've asked the question, you can adjust the IRR parameters to support your return estimation and optimization by clicking on IRR parameters. Here you are able to enter parameters, such as selecting the country, the bidding zone, power capacity, power trading details like transaction price in 2024, construction investment estimates like the BESS unit, energy storage and system details like the charge and discharge duration, financial details like the residual value rate, finance planning details like your repayment plan. Once you've set the parameters for your IRR calculation, Terra AI will run a full financial analysis, instantly generating a tailored IRR projection. Terra AI will outline the full project timeline, from 2025 construction through 2035 operations, and introduces the report structure. Then it explores the revenue streams, frequency regulation, capacity markets, and energy trading, all visualized for clarity. Next, it will present a detailed cost breakdown covering depreciation, maintenance, and operational expenses year by year. It will also review the P&L statement to understand long-term financial performance and cash flow stability. Explore in-depth projections and scenario planning tools. Terra AI offers dynamic tables to test multiple assumptions, model outcomes, and build resilient strategies backed by real data. Terra also compares project KPIs to industry benchmarks, highlighting where you can exceed market performance. Lastly, Terra will assess a forward-looking market outlook for Sweden up to 2035 and how it could influence your returns. This walkthrough shows how Terra AI transforms complex BESS financial modeling into a fast, intelligent, and user-friendly experience, delivering clear answers from setup to strategic insight. If you need any further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out to our support team.